The default view of an SAR plot is a pie chart where the sizes of the circles show the number of compounds with each combination of R groups, in this case R1 and R2. As we saw in the previous video, we can colour these circles by any property in the dataset, in this case log S. However, as you can see in this large dataset, the result may be quite a uniform colour because the value in each cell is averaged over many different substituents at position R3. If we choose to bin the colour scale for a property, the pie charts will automatically divide into segments to show the distribution within each cell. The radius of each segment will reflect the number of compounds in that segment, but you can just select single size to make all the pie chart segments the same radius. Alternatively, you can size the pie chart segments by any property you wish. Many other chart types can be embedded in an SAR plot. For example, histograms to show the distributions of a property for each combination of R groups. To select the properties on the axes of the histograms, click on the Edit Axes button. Here we can again see the distributions of log S. Or you might choose a scatter plot to show the relationships between two properties for each combination of R groups. Again, the Edit Axes button enables you to choose the properties that you wish to plot. If you want to look at a smaller number of R group combinations, you can zoom into either axis by pointing at the axis and using the middle mouse wheel, or pinch to zoom or two-finger drag on a touchpad. Reset the axes by right-clicking on the plot and selecting Reset Axes. You can also rearrange the positions of R groups on an axis by dragging them, or sort the R groups by any property in your dataset by right-clicking on the axis and selecting Sort. Finally, you can choose specific R groups to show on an axis by right-clicking on the axis and choosing Edit, then selecting the R groups you wish to see under Categories. In the next video in this series, we will explore how R group analyses can be used to explore match pairs within a chemical series.